Dear students, today I will discuss about electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole. Electric potential at any point due to electric dipole. I have already discussed electric potential difference. Now electric potential at any point due to electric dipole. So this is a electric dipole AB, minus q charge plus q charge. We have chosen a point P which is at a distance r from the center of the dipole. Dipole length is 2a, so this side is a, this side is a, and we have drawn a perpendicular from this to this, this to this. Clear? So AB is a dipole, and due to this dipole, what will be electric potential at point P? This is our M to find. Clear? Now what will be the electric potential at point P due to this point? So electric due to minus q at point A. What will be this? Say this is V1. V1 equal to one by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q. In case of potential, we have to consider the sign by R. That means AP. And what is the potential at point P due to plus q charge? V2 equal to so what is the net potential of point due to this? Therefore net potential at point P due to the dipole V equal to V1 plus V2. The potential is scalar quantity, so this is direct scalar sum. So this plus this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q by AP plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by BP. Now you see 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q common. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q common. This is positive. We are writing first minus 1 by AP. It is positive, so it is written first. It is negative, it is written later. Now our aim is to find what is BP and what is AP. You see, if the point P, the distance of point P is very greater than the length of the dipole, if R is very greater than the length of dipole, then what will happen? AP nearly equal to this, then AP nearly equal to PM equal to PM means OP plus OM equal to OP means R. Now what is OM? You see, from this triangle, from triangle AOM, OM by OA equal to cos theta. So OM equal to OA cos theta. OA means A cos theta. So this plus A cos of theta. AP equal to this, and what will be BP? And BP nearly equal to PN. PN means OP minus ON. So this is R minus, now from this triangle BON. BON. What we are getting? From triangle BON, ON by OB, ON by OB equal to cos theta, means ON equal to A cos theta. This is also A cos theta. So R minus A cos of theta. Now our aim is to put the value, these two values in equation 1. I am rubbing this. You see, first what we have written, potential at point P due to charge minus Q, this one, potential at point P due to charge plus Q, this one. So what will be the net potential at point P? These two we have add this and this. Now our aim is to find BP and AP, and for this we have told that if R very greater than length of the dipole, then this distance will be nearly equal to this distance. So this, and PM equal to OP plus OM. OP means R, OM means we have to find this. Similarly, BP equal to nearly equal to OP. OP means BP nearly equal to PN, and PN equal to K, R minus ON, R minus ON. This is R minus ON. ON means A cos theta. So now our aim is to put this value in equation 1. So I am rubbing this. Therefore, from 1 we get, what we are getting? V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q 1 by BP. What is BP? R minus A cos theta minus 1 by AP, R plus A cos theta, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Now you take LCM, R square minus A square cos square theta. So this will be R plus A cos theta. LCM will be this into this, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So here R minus A cos theta, so this will be R plus A cos theta, and minus R plus A cos of theta. So R cancel, it is becoming 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q. I am rubbing this. Q, and here it is 2a cos theta by r square minus a square cos square theta. Now you see, twice aq means p, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p cos theta by r square minus a square cos square theta. This is the expression for potential. Since twice aq equal to p, electric dipole moment. So this is the expression for electric potential at point P due to this dipole AB. Electric potential at point P due to this dipole AB. This is the expression. Now what will be the electric potential in the axial line and equatorial line? Special case, you see, first one, in axial line, you see this is theta. In axial line this will be theta equal to 0, theta equal to 0. So what will be the expression? Therefore V axial equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos 0 degree by r square minus a square cos square 0 degree. So what will be the expression? This will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, cos 0 is 1, so p by r square minus a square. This is the expression for axial line. In this line, electric potential is this due to this dipole. Now what will be the electric potential in the equatorial line? Second case, in equatorial line, theta equal to 90 degree. Equatorial line means this line will be like this, perpendicular 90 degree, cos 90 0. So put this value here. So V equatorial equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos 90 degree by r square minus a square cos square 90 degree. Cos 90 0, so 0. So this is the expression for electric potential at any point due to the dipole, and this is the expression for electric potential in the axial line, and this is the expression for electric potential in the equatorial line. In the equatorial line, electric potential due to a dipole is 0. In the equatorial line, electric potential due to a dipole is 0. Clear? So you read properly and it will be easier. Bye.